Complete step-by-step installation of the Super Kit with Integra Grate and Trifon Drain. These are some of the tools we will need. Let's open the box and see what the Super Kit includes. Inside, we find everything needed for the installation. Let's move on to the step-by-step installation. We position the tray and mark the distance the drain will have from the wall, including the adapter. Then, we adjust the tray to the required size. And yes, it is fully cut to size. In renovations, we only need to create the space to place the drain, while in new construction, we must level the drain before installing the tray. We will place the protective cover to prevent dirt from entering the drain once we apply the mortar layer. We will proceed to apply C2 tile adhesive on the base before placing the tray. Remember, the tray already comes with built-in slopes. Unfold the tray over the still wet tile adhesive and connect the adapter to the drain until you hear the click that ensures a secure fit. Then, fold the second half of the tray over the first. Apply C2 tile adhesive to the second half of the tray and the corresponding part of the base, then unfold the tray.
Asegurar el pegado del plato a la base ejerciendo presión sobre el mismo de manera uniforme, por ejemplo, pisando sobre él.
We will waterproof the walls and reinforce the critical points. We will bond the membrane using the same C2 tile adhesive. Install the ceramic tiles on the walls using C2 tile adhesive. Place the grid by pressing it together with the tray and floor tiles. Level and adjust the height, ensuring that the edge of the grid remains 5 mm below the tiles, serving as a guide for tile placement. Install the ceramic tiles on the grate using the C2 tile adhesive from the installation or WS Mastic. Insert the desired siphon, dry or hydraulic, the hair catcher, and the tiled grate. The end user can interchange the trap. Do not discard it.